Hey everybody, this is a university ePublishing publication in association with AI ChatGPT help. Subscribe to my channels and like the videos if you want to see more content like this. So today what we're going to do is we're going to ask ChatGPT to explain how to use ChatGPT. Using ChatGPT is quite simple. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to interact with the model. Number 1, initiate the conversation. Start by sending a prompt or a message to the ChatGPT model. Clearly state what you want to ask or discuss. For example, you can begin with hello or can you help me with to start the conversation. Number 2, send messages. After the initial prompt, you can continue the conversation by sending additional messages one by one. Each message should be a separate API call. You can ask questions, provide context, or have back and forth discussion with the model. 3, formatting messages. It's helpful to format your messages to provide clear instructions or context for the model. You can use a system message to set the behavior of the assistant. Example given, you are an assistant that speaks like Shakespeare, or use user messages to simulate a conversation. Example given, what is the capital of France? You can use multiple user messages in a row to provide more context. Token limit. Be aware of the token limit imposed by the API. Both the input and the output tokens count toward the limit. If a conversation exceeds the token limit, 4,096 tokens for GPT 3.5, you'll need to truncate or shorten the text. 5, continuing the conversation. When you send a message, ChatGPT responds accordingly based on the conversation history. The model pays attention to prior messages and generates a response based on that context. Remember to include all relevant information in the conversation history for better responses. Number 6, system level instructions. You can include system level instructions to guide the model's behavior. These instructions should be placed in a user message, and they help in shaping the response. For example, you can specify, instruct me on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Review and iterate. After receiving a response, review it for relevance and accuracy. If the answer is incomplete or not what you expected, you can rephrase your question or provide more specific instructions to guide the model towards a desired response. Iterate the conversation as needed until you obtain the desired result. Remember that ChatGPT is a language model, and while it can provide useful information and assistance, it may not always provide completely accurate or reliable answers. It's always good to critically evaluate the responses and double-check the information when necessary.